We've upgraded our kitchen, our living room, our bathrooms, quite a few of them, and now it's time for us to upgrade our primary bedroom and bathroom. Come with us to Active. Something that we always find very helpful is actually when we make our trips to Active and we kind of get to see all the different things on display. It kind of helps us to pull together a vision because, you know, before we actually start anything, we kind of want to know what's available, what will trigger off an idea, what will, you know, really speak to us. And that was a big deal for us, being able to kind of walk through the store, look at flooring options, look at even the bed that we wanted, and wall tiles, which was a whole new world for us. And so that was really exciting and really helpful, actually. You know, when we were thinking about this renovation, we really envisioned a getaway at home. Our old bedroom was really dark, and you know, it really needed an upgrade.
Absolutely. After waiting so long to do the renovation, I definitely just wanted to do a proper upgrade. I was thinking villa, spa, some destination that we've been to. I wanted to replicate it in a way, but at home with the function that works for us.
Yeah, it's a real home away from home at your home.
We are more than happy, more than pleased with how it turned out. You know, I'm not so good at looking at things in a store and actually seeing how they're going to actually look in the space. I have to see it to believe it, and trust me, I am completely blown away.
Yeah, me too. We're so happy with how everything turned out, and you know, we're really excited that we could, you know, find so many amazing options available to us right here in Jamaica, right there at Active, and they really brought everything together. To me, the floor is a star for me. I walk in here and I'm just like, oh,
really?
I love the floor.
But I mean, the floor star of the show still, but you see, this wall, and it comes alive on the wall in the space.
Yes. Oh, I have to quickly mention that one of my absolute favorite parts as well is the tub. Literally, even for friends and family who have seen the place so far, that's been a wow moment for them.
We decided to come back to Active because the proof is in the pudding. And the kitchen, the bathrooms, the living room just are so perfect for us and have been so perfect for us over the last year, and it's 2 years. 2 years we've been living in the space, and it's just been so good. And we walk Active floors so often that we kind of have a feel of what is offered there. So we know we want this, we want that, we want the floor, we need to start the bed. Yeah, exactly.
It's so easy for us to see everything, and the way that everything is set up, as you said, it's easy for us. It's easy for me to sell a vision to Wayne once I go into Active, because you can see everything together. So, you know, we love our Active family, and we love being in there. It's kind of like mini reunions for us every time we're there with other people as well. I think the biggest advice, as I just said, is to take your time. You know, things take time. You have to plan correctly. You have to make sure things are in place, and that really was the best thing for us. Before we did our main area, it was 15 years before we were ready to do that, and again another 2 years before we did our bedroom. So no make nobody shame you. Take your time, do what you have to do, put up what you can put up, and save and do what you have to do.
And I would say have a vision board. Pinterest is your best friend. Look for inspiration, put it together.
Another great tip is to actually take your vision to the reps at Active. They can really kind of guide you in the right direction for your space, your place, your budget. So use up that free help. That's what we say. It's never it for renovations. Even though, you know, we're taking a little bit of a break because, you know, things take time, you know, like since we did our main living area, it's been 2 years since we've decided to now do our primary bathroom and bedroom. So we know things take time, but we definitely have more up our sleeves for sure.
I have a few ideas.
Yeah. But right now we're just trying to bask in the joy of this new space and fully enjoy it. All right, here it is, guys. Come on in. So it's very different to when you last saw it. So much light, so much space, and just loving this new layout.
As you can see, the room is fully activated.
Wayne, too much. We also created this awesome outdoor patio area, which also doubles as an outside bathtub area, which I love. And now, welcome to the bathroom of our dreams. I love it in here. We'll start with the shower that is just so incredible. It is a 5x5 shower and the wall tiles go from floor to ceiling. Just a perfect backdrop for a beautiful spa shower. And then this countertop is absolutely incredible. We went with the quartz. Now we decided to go with just one sink because I really wanted the space for vanity to be able to do hair and makeup, and I'm really happy with that decision.
You know them say happy wife, happy life.
Facts. And then we did something really interesting where we did a water closet. For those of you who want to know, that's a toilet by itself behind a door.